So we need to install some dependency. The first one will be mpeg, which is an encoder and decoder for the video. Then if you want like the virtual camera support, then you need the b4l2l loopback minus dkms dependency. After that, while during the installation, it will ask for the password if you have the UEFI BIOS. If not, then you can just install it. Then you have to use the repository for the OBS Studio. All the command are already on the screen for you. Just copy the command, type on the terminal, and once you add the repository, then again do the sudo apt update. Once you done with the update, then you can do the sudo apt install OBS Studio. Then we are ready to use the OBS Studio. Once the installation is done, go to your launcher, search for the OBS Studio. Then you can see like optimize for just for recording, optimize for streaming. Click on the option you like, click on recording, then click next, wait few seconds, and then click on finish. Then you go to the source, click on add, and look for the screen capture, and just click on OK. Then it will say some things for advanced setting, just click on OK. Then you start recording. You can minimize the OBS Studio, and just for a demo, you just open up Firefox just to see everything is recording. Once you are done with your recording, you can just go to the OBS Studio again, hit on stop recording. Then you can always see on the bottom left corner where your file is saved. It's always on your home folder. Go to your home folder and look for the video file. And this is the video file we just recorded. You can see we open the Firefox during that time, and I'll wait. Thank you.